There's a lake that doesn't just look quiet, it waits. In Cameroon, deep in a volcanic region, there's a lake called Nyos. For years, people lived beside it, fished near it, slept peacefully at night. Then one evening, the lake released something invisible. A massive cloud of gas rolled across the land. No smell, no warning, no sound. Here's the part that still chills scientists. The gas was carbon dioxide, heavy enough to hug the ground, stealing oxygen as it moved. People, animals, even insects collapsed where they stood. Entire villages fell silent in minutes. The lake didn't erupt. It didn't explode. It simply exhaled, and everything nearby stopped breathing.